Feeling overwhelmed by writing a business plan? You're not alone. A great plan is your roadmap clarifying ideas, winning funding, and aligning your team. Here's a professional version that keeps your message and structure trimmed to give you all you need in your business plan. 1. Purpose. A plan isn't paperwork, it's strategy. It forces you to define why your business will succeed. Investopedia notes companies with formal plans grow faster, and the U.S. Small Business Administration calls a plan the foundation and roadmap. It's your compass in a crowded market. 2. Choose your format. Traditional plans 20 to 40 pages are detailed and investor-ready. Lean startup plans can be one-page ideal for clarity and speed. Fundraising. Use traditional. Early ideation. Go lean. The plan should serve you, not the other way around. 3. Core sections traditional. Executive summary. Mission, team, location, growth snapshot. Company description. The problem, who you serve, your edge. Market analysis, trends, segments, competitors, opportunity, organization, and management. Legal structure, roles, advisors, products, services, what you sell, and why it matters. Marketing and sales, brand, pricing, channels, promotions. Financial plan, revenue, costs, cash flow, 3 to 5 year forecasts. Appendix, resumes, charts, visuals, legal docs. HBR ads, a crisp one-page summary can work for intros. For lean plan, business model canvas, 9 blocks on 1 page. Value propositions, customer segments, channels, relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partners, costs, fast, visual, and easy to pivot. Later convert to a full plan for investors. 5. Credibility and ROI. Numbers persuade, but stories stick. Pip Murray Pip and Nutt used a 75-page plan to secure a £10,000 loan, then built a multi-million-pound brand. Your plan doesn't need perfection, just practicality, evidence, and execution. 6. Avoid over-planning. Don't polish forever. If you can't explain the idea on 1 page, refine it. Launch, test, gather feedback, iterate. A plan is a springboard, not an anchor. 7. Prep and workflow. Clarify purpose, funding versus internal guidance. Gather mission, BIOS, financials, product, and legal details. Pick format. Draft step by step. Match tone to audience, formal for investors, conversational for teams. Support claims with data, not guesses. A business plan is a living tool to make smarter decisions, track progress, and unlock opportunities. It's your story and strategy on paper. Which section challenges you most? Comment below and subscribe to Top 10 Explorer for more build, launch, scale strategies. Micro checklist. Validate demand with 5 real customer interviews. Define 1 ICP ideal customer profile and 1 core problem. Write a 1-page plan, then a 10-slide deck. Build a 2-week budget and a 90-day roadmap. Pick 1 primary channel, set a weekly KPI. Ship 1. Learn fast, iterate. Remember, clarity beats length, momentum beats perfection.